Hello children, this is Thenmozhi Chatelier. Welcome back to another session of phonetics for the young readers. And we have completed 6 lessons so far, and this is your 7th lesson. If you have not heard the earlier 6 classes, please do go back and listen to it and continue watching. And do subscribe if you don't want to miss the coming up lessons. So on the screen here we have some English alphabets, but we do not have the whole set of English alphabets because we are learning the consonant sounds, and these are the consonant sounds which we have already studied in the earlier lessons. And if you have not watched it, please go back and listen to it. I would anyway repeat these sounds for you again now. Id, if, ig, ich, ij, l, mm, ip, ik, r, s, it, w. And today we will be studying the other consonant sound, that is X, E and Z. So these three are what we are going to study in this lesson today. So the first one is X. It is a very tricky sound. It takes the sound of X sometimes. It takes the sound of Igs sometimes. It takes the sound of Is sometimes. And sometimes it takes the sound J. Okay. So I repeat. So this is the English alphabet X. But when you see this in the words, it can make X, X, X as in fox, X as in exam, okay, and Ij as in luxury, and is as in xylophone. So let's read the words so you'll be able to identify the words and the sound. So the first one that we have here is the xylophone. Xylophone. So it starts with the letter X, but then it makes a sound xylophone. Z. And the next one is axe, that comes in the end. Wax. Six. Mix. Fox. Box. And X-ray, right? And so let's read some sentences. We will learn about it. Here there are some more words, and when it comes in the end, it clearly takes the ik and is sound. X, 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 x. So these words are to be read as box, fox, wax, wax, ox, mix, tax. And when you have here next to the E especially, it takes the X sound. Example, execute, exam, exact. Can you repeat after me? Example, execute, exam, exact. And here we have the X sound. Exclaim, exchange, expand, expense, X-ray, X-ray. And here you make the Z sound, xylophone and Xerox. Z and X, right? So let's read some more sentences. Roxy fixed the box. Roxy fixed the box. Max mixes the wax. He examines the 6 months tax. The exit from exhibition is on the left. The exit from exhibition is on the left. Xavier booked a taxi to the X-ray lab. Okay, so that was about the X. So look for the position of it and identify it. This again, another tricky sound. This is the English alphabet Y. It makes a sound E, and this is one letter which can be consonant at times and which can be a vowel at some time. If it comes in the beginning of the word, it is a consonant. If you see it in the end of the word, it becomes a vowel. Okay, when I'm saying it with the word, you will be able to understand. York in the beginning, yeah. Yak in the beginning, yeah. Yam in the beginning, yeah. Yach as a consonant in the beginning, yo-yo in the beginning as in the consonant, right? And let's read some words here. So if you see in the first column, it is all in the beginning where it will be a consonant. If it comes in the end, it makes the uh, vowel sound. It makes a e sound and a sound, right? So let me read this. So this is a consonant: yellow, yak, yes, yarn, youth, year, lawyer, loyal. Okay, and here we have mummy, January, daddy, lily, lazy, hilly, sorry, tiny. If you notice, this is all E. And before the Y, you have a consonant in all this, right? You have a consonant in all this. So with a consonant and then the word ends with a Y, it makes a E sound. Here you have a vowel here, okay? This is all the vowels. So if you have a vowel and then you have a Y in the end, it takes the vowels sound. Day, a, play, a, by, boy, or they. And these are some exception words, so you have them as by, my, sky, fly, why. And let's read some sentences now. The yellow yarn is yours. Yusuf had yummy yogurt yesterday. The dog is yelping. There is a yak in the yard. Yogi yelled at Yasser. Okay, if you notice those sentences, in the end it will be a vowel. The beginning it is a consonant. Now next for the z sound. Okay, this again is a little tricky sound. We do not have much words in z, but we do have the sound of z in most. For example, all the plurals will end. The plurals that end with s has to be pronounced as is roses. Okay, so let's read some words. Z sound: zebra, zoo, zipper, zucchini, zoo. So these are all z as it comes in the beginning and it is a consonant. Zigzag, zigzag, right? And here we have, I'm going to read the is sound, but there are some words you do not see the alphabet is, but then it has a sound, right? Zap, zoo, buzz, fizzle, buzzer. I repeat again, please repeat it. Zap, zoo, buzz, fizzle, buzzer. And here you don't have the letter Z there. Z is not there, but you read it like this. And especially these words that I have put in the second column, these are common words which we use very often. And if you pronounce it with this kind of pronunciation, you will sound more nice. Your English will be heard nicely. He was in the car. He is in the car. Boys are in the car. His is the car. His is the car. So this, all these will finish with the is sound there, right? And freeze, dozen, quiz, noise, size. You start with the s and you end with the is. Size, noise, quiz, dozen, phrase. And these words, they do not have the is there, but then you have many more words in English which has the sound but it does not see this letter in it. So example, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all that will have a is sound in it. And we have some sentences here. His business came up in a zap. His business came up in a zap. I saw a design in the museum. The Zambian scored 0 in the exam. Zina's favorite flowers are at the pleasant roses. Zina's favorite flowers are the pleasant roses. These cars are quite noisy. He lives alone in Zimbabwe. Zach plays many musical instruments. So listen to these songs, listen to these sentences, repeat it, and try to work with the dictionary, and you will be able to pronounce it more correctly also. And that was the seventh lesson of the phonetics, and we will see in the next class. Do subscribe and don't miss the coming up lessons. Bye bye.